I bought a fish finder. I was going to order it from Sportsman's Warehouse. For Father's Day, my kids got me a couple gift cards for Sportsman's. Then I look online and Sportsman's does not have any in stock because it's the newer version with the new technology. So what do you think of this? The Hummingbird Explore 9. It's got side imaging and down imaging. And this one actually has got the, what do they call that? This is all new to me. So, this is the one that'll hook up to, like if you got one of those smart trolling motors, it'll hook up to the trolling motor so you can hold your spot, or you can make a little path that it'll sit there and follow, or you can, your whatever, something lock, whatever, spot lock, that's what it's called. It'll hold you right there. If you got drifting water, like out some of the lakes we fish out here, there's a little bit of a current, so I could use that and hook it up to my trolling motor once I get a better trolling motor, because I don't have one of those yet. But then it'll hold your boat right in the right spot, right over the school of fish, once you find them. I had a fish finder that I had on my little 10-foot aluminum boat that I had like 30 years ago. And you know, the technology back then wasn't the greatest. But now this technology is crazy. It's got a screen cover. Here's the cables and the transducer. That's a big long one. That's heavy. Got your power cables, your mounts to hook it all up. Wow, that is a big screen. It's gonna be giant inside my little, I got a 12-foot and a 14-foot aluminum boat. That thing is gonna be giant inside that boat. But it's gonna be awesome. I won't be wasting my time floating around the water for hours and hours and hours when I'm like looking for whitefish and stuff. Now I can turn on my fish finder and actually find the schools. Get all this stuff hooked up tomorrow. Since I'm gonna be transferring it back and forth, and I'm gonna use that lifetime battery, or lithium battery, to power this. And I'm gonna be moving it back and forth from both boats. I ordered a rod off of Amazon that clamps to the back of your boat, your stern, or you can actually hook it any part of your boat, to the side, whatever. It clamps on, and then it's got a tube that goes down, and then it's got a plate where you can hook your transducer. So that way I can just pop it on and off. Pretty cool. I am excited. And that lightweight battery, man, that's gonna be so easy to be moving around all the time. Wow. More fireworks. All right. What do you guys think of that fish finder? I was looking at the other ones, the Helix last year, and then I was looking again this couple months or so ago, and I was like, okay, I need to get one. My wife was like, yeah, you need to get one. So when we got fishing, and then I looked, and the Helix is the 9 inches, the 7 inch I think is the biggest they make now, because all the other ones they've switched to the Explorer model, which is a touchscreen, which the Helixes weren't. I'm really looking forward to this. All right, thanks for watching. Bye.